Hi guys, Uncle Dave here with Tackle Tip Tuesday, and we're going to go over a couple things that you're going to need on your 3/4 day trip. This is all stuff that you can get right inside our shop at Davey's Locker at check-in. This is one of our standard rental rods. And on your rental gear, it's going to be full to the brim with 25-pound line, nice fresh 25-pound monofilament. Another thing you're going to get in our office is going to be a fishing license. All you're going to need is your last name and date of birth for each person to purchase a one-day fishing license. Something else that's very common is going to be our tackle packs. It's got an assortment of smaller size 2 hooks as well as larger 2/0 hooks. It's also got a 4, 3, and a 2-ounce torpedo sinker, as well as a 3/4 ounce, 2 1/2, and 2 1/4 ounce egg sinker. A lot of times we're going to be doing some sculpin fishing in addition to bass fishing, and with that we sell our scampi lures, which have been very productive when tipped with squid, and a nice heavy torpedo sinker. 10 or 12 ounces will be sufficient. So 2 things that I would recommend bringing on your trip to fish 3/4 day is going to be fluorocarbon and one of these little metal jigs here. Now, this fluorocarbon is going to be mainly for live bait fishing. You're not necessarily going to need it while fishing a little metal jig like this. This one you can tie directly to the monofilament line. Now, these are going to be very productive for hooking any number of species like bonito, bass, or barracuda, in addition to really anything else that's going to eat a fin bait. Now, this here is fluorocarbon line, and it's going to be a more stealthier approach, nearly invisible to fish when underwater. So this is going to highly increase your bite ratio when you're fishing with this stuff. And something else you might want to remember to bring is sun protection, like a hat and sunblock. You want to avoid those painful sunburns. Also on our boats, we have a full service galley that can offer a variety of drinks like water, soda, beer, wine, in addition to food products like chips, candy, burgers, quesadillas, breakfast burritos, things of that nature. So hopefully that helps and gets you set up for a trip coming out with Davey's Locker.